In this video, we will learn how to add Microsoft To-Do task details to Google Sheets automatically. So let's say you are using Microsoft To-Do application for managing all your daily tasks, and you want that whenever the task is created in this application, the same task should be automatically and instantly added to Google Sheets so that you can create a backup and you can keep a track record on all the tasks that are being added to this application. Now, to create this automation, I'm going to connect Microsoft To Do with Google Sheets with the help of an automation software. So if you want to create this automation, just follow this tutorial till end. So this is the website of that automation software, Pabbly Connect, with the help of which I'm going to connect Microsoft To Do with Google Sheets in real time. And you can also reach here by typing pabbly.com/connect. I will also attach this link in description box. Now create your free account, which is absolutely free, and you will also get free tasks to test this automation. All right, I have clicked on sign in because I am already an existing user, and then clicked on Pabbly Connect access now. Now you will see I will reach to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and from this blue button create workflow, I'm going to start creating my automation. Okay, so enter workflow name here, provide any random name to your workflow. I have provided connect to Microsoft To Do with Google Sheets in real time, so I have given this name. Click on create and you will see two boxes in front of you, trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. When this happens, do this. So basically we need to select the applications in which we need to set the automation. According to our use case, we want that whenever the task is created in Microsoft To Do application, add the details to Google Sheets application. That is why my trigger application will be Microsoft To Do here. Let me select it. And the trigger event will be what? You tell us. New task. Okay, click on connect, click on add new connection. Basically we are connecting our Microsoft To Do account with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, this is the first step of our integration of our automation. Connect with the Microsoft To Do and provide the access of your account in which you are managing your task. I have already provided it. Okay, click on yes and you will see my Microsoft account will be connected with the Pabbly Connect. Now it is asking to select the details. Well, I have just a single task list. Okay, so it has already selected. Now I'm going to click on save and send test request, and you will see the recent task which I have created in Microsoft To Do, the recent task. It will be, the details of that task will be captured here in the response. So what if I create a new task, and I'll show you how that particular task details will be captured here in the Pabbly Connect. Okay, so let me create a new task. I have this particular task. Okay, need to arrange the lunch and meeting for all the Pabbly Connect team members on first week of September. Let me copy and paste it here. Click on this plus button, add a task. I'm going to provide a name to my task. Need to arrange the lunch and meeting for all the Pabbly Connect team members on first week of September. Click on add. Now I'm going to edit. Where is my task gone? Okay, here it is. I'm going to edit this and I'm going to give a description, basically a note also here. Okay, for my reference. So there is a meeting of 20 people and I need to book the meeting venue where lunch will also be available. Okay, so again going and pasting my note here, basically this description, and let me add the due date also, which is actually next week. Okay, assume that. So I have created a task in Microsoft To Do application. Let's click on this button now and you will see the recent task which I have created will be captured here. Need to arrange the meeting, lunch on meeting for all the members. Okay, let me show you. And further details are also has been captured, the create date and time, and here is the content. So this is how you can also capture the details of your recent task. Now the first step of our integration is successful. Now I want to add these details to my Google Sheets automatically in real time. So how can I do that? Click on Google Sheets, basically select for Google Sheets. And in action event, you'll have to choose add new row, because I want whenever the task is there, add a new row and add the details to that particular row. Click on add new connection, click on connect with Google Sheets, and here again select the account in which you have created that Google Sheets. I have created my sheet in this particular account. Now provide the access, and again the authorization is successful and account is connected. Google Sheet account is connected. Select spreadsheet. So let me show you, these are the various spreadsheets which are available in my Google Sheet account, and since my account is connected with Pabbly Connect, all those sheets are visible here. Let me show you my sheet which I have created, and I want to add the details of the task. All task details is the name, and I want the task name, task details, task creation date, and task due date. I want the following details to be captured here. Okay, going back to Pabbly Connect and select the same sheet. Well, I have this particular sheet. The name of the sheet is all task details only. Now here sheet 1 will come, because here I have just single sheet. Further, the task name, task details, creation date, and due date. So you can see whatever the columns I have created in my spreadsheet are visible to this particular account in Pabbly Connect, because as I've just told you, I'm connected with it and I need to fill these columns one by one. How and from where? Click here and you will see insert data from the previous step. So basically I need to fill the data which I have captured from the previous step, but I don't need to copy and paste it here. You will find the above data here in the drop down. Okay, just open it and map the value. Task name, so my task name is need to arrange the lunch and meeting for all the Pabbly Connect team members. Okay, I have mapped it. Now it is asking for the task details. Well, I have added the details in the notes. Okay, in the note section. So well, it is not searching with the note. Let me search for the description. Okay, here is the body content. There is a meeting of 20 people. Again map it, and whatever the values I am mapping will be replaced automatically whenever a new task details will capture here. Okay, so this is the power of automation. This is the power of this mapping. Task creation date, again search for the date, and here we will map the created date and time. And the task due date, well, search for the due date, and here is the due date. Well, if you don't want the date in this particular format, you can simply add a new action step here as date time formatter and format the date and time according to your choice, and then finally you can map that particular value which you will receive via date time formatter here. And this is how you can actually get the date according to your format. For now, I'm going to click on this button and let's wait for the response, and you can see the response is also received. Now I'm expecting this data to be arrived in my Google Sheet, and yes, you can see the data has just arrived automatically. Let me make it look very clear. Okay, you can see, let me unbold it also, and here is the task name, here is the task details, task creation date, and task due date. So this is how you can automatically add all the Microsoft To Do task details here in Google Sheets, no matter who is creating task in that application, in Microsoft To Do application. And we are able to do it with the help of Pabbly Connect. And let me show you the glimpse. Firstly, we have connected Microsoft To Do with Pabbly Connect and capture the task details here in Pabbly Connect. And further, we have connected Google Sheets with the Pabbly Connect in the action step. And by mapping all the details from the above step, we are able to connect it. If you want to clone this workflow into your account, that too for free, you can do it with the link I am going to attach in my description box, this shareable workflow link. Okay, you can directly do it, directly clone it. And let me tell you one more important thing. Once you have created this automation inside Pabbly Connect, sit back and relax, because Pabbly Connect will do everything in backend. And let me tell you one more important thing, that here Microsoft To Do will capture the data in every 8 hours. Okay, so let's say you have created lots of tasks here. Every 8 hours, the data will be captured here in Pabbly Connect and then immediately added to Google Sheets. So in case the data is is not added immediately, don't worry about that, because your task details, your data will be automatically added to this Google Sheets in few hours, in next few hours. Just wait for it patiently. All right. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.